Hello, my name is Natalia and I'd like to tell you a little bit about why it is so important to invest in your writing skills at the early stage of your research career. I can tell you a few words about my own career. Now I work as a full-time as a career advisor for PhDs who are interested in careers outside of academia. But when I was a PhD student, I was always having a feeling that I'm undervalued for my research. I felt that I put extreme amount of effort into my research, that my results are highly innovative, yet I don't get enough acknowledgement for what I do. And now looking back at my times of graduate school, I can see the mistakes I was making. And one of the biggest mistakes was that I was not investing enough in polishing my writing skills. And when I look back at my writing back then, I can see that my message almost never comes across and I don't sell my results well enough. So I cannot stress enough how important it is to polish your writing skills as early in your career as possible. And this skill will stay with you for a lifetime. It will help you with your career regardless if you stay in academia or if you go to a corporate environment or maybe start your own company. Now I have my own company and my technical writing skills also help me better structure procedures that I write for my subcontractors and also documents that I write for my company website and for my clients or all other kinds of documents and agreements. So I cannot stress enough how important it is that you invest in your writing skills early on. I see that you are interested in Researchers Writing Academy by Anna Clements. I think this is a great choice. Anna has a great talent for teaching. She is a great educator. You are in great hands. So I'm sure that once you stay here and take her courses, you will be greatly prepared for your research career and career elsewhere. So wish you best of luck with your career and have a great time.